Hello world and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about prompt engineering. Basically asking AI better questions so you get the answers you want. Because let's be honest, most people type something random into AI, hit enter and then complain it's not that smart. That's like walking into a restaurant and saying I want food. Yes, you will get food, but probably not what you wanted. In this video I'm going to show you how to craft prompts that actually work. But why does this matter? It matters because AI is already part of our everyday life and is only going to become an even bigger part. That's the reality. It's not about fear, it's about being prepared. Now, some people still say AI is just a trend or it makes us lazy. But the truth is, AI is already saving lives in medicine, improving safety in engineering and helping people work faster and smarter every single day. In other words, adapt or get left behind. If you want to stay competitive, creative and informed, whether for work, school or just everyday tasks, you need to know how to prompt properly. So how do we actually do this? A really strong prompt usually has up to 5 parts. Think of them like tools. You don't always need every single one, but the more you use, the more precise and powerful your results will be. Let's break them down. First, role. This sets the personality or expertise of the AI. For example, if you say act as a personal fitness coach, the AI will answer like one. This is useful when you want answers in a certain style or from a certain perspective. Second, instruction. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, create a weekly workout plan. Without clear instructions, you will just get vague and generic answers. Third, context. This is the background information that helps the AI avoid making wrong assumptions. For example, I only have dumbbells and I want to train 3 days a week. Context is especially important when your task has details that could change the outcome. Fourth, constraints. These are your rules and limits. Maybe you want it short, like keep it under 200 words. Or you want it simple, like avoid technical jargon. Constraints help you control the results so it actually fits your needs. And finally, output format. This tells the AI how to structure its answer. You could ask for a bullet list, a table, a step-by-step guide, or even a script like the one you're hearing right now. So, role, instruction, context, constraints and output format. Together they make a good prompt. But here's the thing. Sometimes you don't want to write a long prompt. Maybe you just need a quick answer, something fast and simple. That's where I use 2 different styles. Full prompts for important and complex tasks, and quick prompts for everyday stuff. The difference is, quick prompts don't need all 5 parts. Instead, only use what you need. Usually it will be instruction, context and constraints, or ICC for short. This gives you good results without writing a whole essay. Now let me show you this on an example. Some time ago there was a debate all over the internet. Who would win, 100 men or 1 gorilla? Many people asked ChatGPT the same question. A typical prompt looked like this. With your new knowledge, you know that this is a bad prompt. ChatGPT has to make assumptions about what exactly you mean. It might assume the men have weapons, or that the gorilla isn't fully grown. Obviously, that won't answer the question correctly. So let's write a good prompt. For this example, most people would probably choose the quick prompt, but we will discuss both, starting with the full prompt. First is the role. You should be an expert in animal behavior and human combat analysis. Next comes the instruction. We tell him to analyze a scenario where 100 men face 1 gorilla. Then the context. The men are normal adults with no special training and no tools or weapons. And the gorilla is a fully grown male. So he knows exactly what the situation looks like. After that are the constraints. We ask him to keep it clear and objective. Avoid exaggeration and stay around 200 words. Finally is the output format. He should provide a table comparing strengths and weaknesses for both sides and then give a conclusion at the end. This full prompt will give you a serious and structured answer. But now let's quick prompt using ICC. For instruction, we tell him to analyze who would be most likely to win in a fight. For context, we explain it's 100 unarmed men versus 1 adult male gorilla. And the constraints tell him to keep the answer short, clear and realistic. This quick prompt gives a solid, fast result without all the extra detail. Now a few bonus tips if you use AI often. First, save useful prompts, so you don't have to rewrite them each time. I recommend tools like Google Docs. They sync to your devices and keep your prompts safe in the cloud. Second, delete unused chats, rename important chats for faster access, and create new ones for different tasks. This keeps you organized and reduces the risk of AI mixing things up. And third, write prompts in English, especially system prompts. Most AIs are trained in English, so results are often better. It also reduces token usage. For example, one word in English is around 1.4 tokens. One word in German is about 1.8 tokens. And in Japanese it can even go up to 3 tokens per word. So here's the takeaway. If you want strong, detailed results, use role, instruction, context, constraints and output format. If you just need something quick, go only with the ones you need the most. Usually instruction, context and constraints. Also stay organized. Delete or rename old chats and create new ones for different topics or when the AI starts hallucinating. With the right prompts, you will save time, stay competitive and get answers that actually make sense. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If it didn't, please tell me what I can improve next time. Thanks for watching.